Alright, so some people say Windows 10 is the best mobile, or not mobile operating system, desktop operating system, and that Mac OS has a bunch of problems, and that Windows 10 is the only operating system that you should use. Well, if you say that, then fuck you, because this is the worst operating system I've ever used. I'm just trying to play BeamNG. So I will go into Steam, and it doesn't work. Nothing fucking works. So I've got to restart Steam to go online, which it does that, and about half the time it doesn't work. Okay, so that might be Steam's problem. So I'm gonna go here, launch game, and this is BeamNG. That's just for BeamNG menu thing. And after that, nothing fucking happens. Literally, fucking nothing happens. You can't do shit after this. And I restarted my entire Windows computer, and it forced me to update, so about an hour later of fucking updates and all this bullshit, I finally logged back on, tried to open Steam just to see that bullshit, and the offline bullshit, and I'm gonna go into Task Manager, and by the way, I have two monitors, and on the other monitor, nothing's on it. I don't know how to switch monitors with NVIDIA GeForce, but nothing's on it at all. It's just showing the desktop. So I'll go here, and I'll try to find BeamNG. So I'll end task, and it says that, and when I try to restart the computer, it says it's preventing the restart. So I'm gonna go here again, launch game, and you'll see here that it tries to open, but does it actually open? No, nothing happens. And where is it on here? Did it even open up on here this time? I don't even know. But I'm gonna scroll down, try to find BeamNG. You can't find that, so I'm gonna close out of that, open it up again. And it's not here anymore. So I'm guessing that this is a Windows 10 problem, because like, you gotta understand, when you use Windows 10, most of the time the entire thing just breaks on you. Sometimes things will just stop working, and you've got to figure out what the problem is. With Macs and with some Linux distributions, it just works. I've never had this problem with a Mac where it just refuses to fucking open. And some people might call this a BeamNG.drive problem. Well, you know, I'm gonna uninstall this and reinstall it. Of course, my shitty ass Wi-Fi is gonna take forever. So, depending on how my Wi-Fi is, this is gonna take 5 minutes or overnight, because you never know Verizon Fios Wi-Fi. But generally, this is gonna take up to 2 hours. Like, that's just what it normally takes for my Wi-Fi around this time, but we'll see. But then, using Windows 10 is the worst. I can't just use it. Like, it's gotta do this. It has to do this shit. It's gotta make me do all this. Like, my Wi-Fi's being okay now, but I've had so many problems with Windows 10, and I don't know what to do about Windows 10 at this point, because I can't play this game on a Mac. So, and half my game library doesn't work on Macs. This fucking this redesign pisses me off too. Where's my Mac games? Well, I can't find my Mac games anymore, but pretty much, I think that only one of these games work with Mac, and that's Team Fortress 2, and I'm not even sure about that. But, you know, I don't know how to deal with this. Is it this? Yeah, Steam redesigned everything. They didn't have to, but, you know, Steam is gonna do that. But pretty much, I can't fucking use my computer because of this, and this pisses me off so much because I just want to use my computer. I just want to use my computer because I paid for it. I want to use my computer how it should. But no, just because Windows 10 doesn't want me to do something. And if you've gone on this channel before, you probably know so much fucking shit has gone on with Windows 10. And what's my cat getting into? Milo. Anyways, besides that, I've dealt with so much stupid shit with Windows 10. Like, if you go about a year ago, if you go back about a year ago on this channel, you'll see I had an entire video about Windows 10. Well, I guess this is kind of like the second part to that because Milo and my cat's getting into bubble wrap. But this is kind of like the second part to that because this shit never works.